To begin, head over to the video description down below and click on the first link you find there. This is our referral link, which will enable you to set up a free MailerLite account and access all the premium features for 30 days free of charge. So the first step is going to be setting up our MailerLite account. So let's go ahead and click on sign up free. Then here, enter the name of your company or organization, your name, email address, choose a password, and click on Create My Account. And this will take us into the MailerLite dashboard. Now, before we can start using the tools of MailerLite, we first have to verify our email and complete our profile. So let's head over to our email inbox, look for the email from MailerLite, and click on Verify Email Address. Then to complete our profile, let's come over here and click on Complete. Then here we have to fill in some more information like our last name and our industry. And then we have to choose all of the tools that we'd like to use with MailerLite. Now it doesn't really matter what you choose here, so I'm just gonna tick all of them and then click on Next Step. Here we need to enter a physical address of our business. Now the reason we need to provide a physical address is because of anti-spam laws. By law, we are required to provide a physical address of our business for every marketing email we send out. Then down here, we have to agree to the anti-spam policy, which you can read here. What it basically says is that we are only allowed to send emails to contacts who have given us the permission to send them emails. Like for example, by signing up to our newsletter using an opt-in form on our website. And then we also have to provide an unsubscribe link in every email that we send out. If we don't comply with this policy, then MailerLite will close our account. So to agree with this policy, let's click right here. Then down here, we can opt in to marketing emails from MailerLite, but personally, I'll leave these unchecked and click on confirm. And now there's just one more step we need to complete before we are able to use MailerLite, and that is to confirm our account. So let's do that by clicking on complete. Now in this confirmation form, we have to give some more information about our business and what kind of marketing emails we want to send out to our contacts. Based on this information, MailerLite will decide if they want to approve our account or if they don't approve it because it looks like we're doing something shady. But as long as it doesn't look like you're doing something fishy or shady, then you shouldn't have any problem getting your account approved. So I'm gonna say I already have an email list with about, let's say, up to 1,000 subscribers. How did I collect these email subscribers? Let's say opt-in via online or offline forms. And then here, what content will you share in your newsletter, landing pages, and or website? I will say we will be sending out weekly tips about the latest online marketing trends. Then let's scroll down to personal website. Here I will say other because I'm gonna give them my YouTube channel. So I'll paste in the YouTube channel URL right here. And to describe our business, I'm gonna say we run a YouTube channel where we post in-depth guides on how to use the best online marketing tools. Then let's scroll down and click on next step. Then we just have to answer a few more questions and click on confirm. So now we have completed the account setup process, and within the next 24 hours, MailerLite is going to review our account. However, I've done this process a few days ago, and it took about an hour until my account has been approved, so that's about what you can expect. Now, even before our account is fully approved, we can already start using the tools of MailerLite so we can set up our forms, our email campaigns, our landing pages, and so on.